Okay guys, today we're going to talk about organizing your dies. Okay, so if you already have a system set up and for organizing your dies nice and pretty, awesome, good for you. You can skip this video. But if not, and your dies are kind of cumbersome, you're just keeping them in the original boxes, then this video may help you out. Okay, so this is how I organize my dies. So these are 3D printed parts that I sell for not too much, and it helps support the channel, helps me produce more content, and you get a nice thing out of it, and it's something I made. Other than like most channels, they'll sell you stuff, but they're really from China. So yeah, these are made here on my 3D printer. So this is a 4-position one. I sell them in 1, 2, 3, and 4. I sell them with. I'll send you the screws with them as well. This one has 3 screws. I know it's overkill, but that's how it is. And then these are designed to work with Hornady lock and load dies. So there's even a little groove there for the little rubber part. And then they do work with just a bare die, but there is a little bit of slop. So just be aware of that there's a little bit of slop, but it still works just fine with a regular die. This hole diameter is 1.1 inches. So if you have a die or a die bushing that is not the Hornady one, maybe it's the Lee, just measure it, make sure it fits within that 1.1 inch hole diameter, and then you're good to go. Okay, the other thing that I'll send these with is there's a little section here for it that looks like a little clip area that clips. I send these clip-on labels. So this one, for example, let's see, it says 308 upside down. And so I'll send you a bunch of these, and to put these on, the best way to go about doing that is you kind of hold that at an angle here, you clip one end on, and then you push that end all the way to the edge, and make sure you don't bend these too much because they will break. And then push it on like that, and it'll clip on. The first time you clip it on, it can be a little bit harder. This was the second time I did this. And then to get it off, if you did mess up or something like that, you want to change it, I like to use a knife or a nice fine flathead screwdriver would probably be a little safer. And then I just pry up here on the top on one of those edges, and then it comes right off, and then I can put a different one if I'd like. I send the labels white, just like you saw. I will also send, there was a black one in here, which is just a blank, so it doesn't have a label on it. And then if you wanted to put like a print, you have a label print or something, I'll put that on there. So I send it with, there's links to where to buy these on eBay. I will send it with each group that you buy. I'll send it a blank one per, and then a group of labels. And the labels include 9mm, 308, 6.5 Creedmoor, 223, 5.56, 380, 45 auto, and then 2 more that I can't remember that I just include, 40 Smith & Wesson, and then 1 more. So, and if you need a label that I didn't mention or is not in the description on eBay, then please message me. Shoot me a message on eBay after you bought it or before, whichever, and I'll make sure to make it, and I'll throw it in here in a little baggie for you. Anyway, guys, I appreciate all the support that you've given me up to this point and for watching all my videos. If you have any content suggestions, please put it in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.